Hi, in this SPSS micro lecture I will show you how to reverse code items. I have these 6 items that measure self-esteem. I now want to run a reliability analysis and see if I can combine them into a new scale that measures self-esteem. So before I do that, I have a look at my items. I can see that they are mostly positively framed. I am a person of word at least as much as anyone else. I have a positive attitude about myself, or I have the feeling I have some good qualities. But actually there are also 2 reverse code items, or at least negatively framed items. I do not think I have much to be proud of, and I think I am useless. So now let's see how they are scored. They have an answer scale of 1 to 5. So 1 is totally disagree, 5 is totally agree. Now imagine that a participant answers agree or totally agree on the positively framed items. You can expect then that that person will score low on the negatively framed items. And if you then combine all the 6 self-esteem items, your score will decrease due to the 2 negatively framed items. And that's not what we want. So I'm going to reverse code the 2 negatively framed items so that if people score high on positive, they will also score high on the negatively framed items. So how to do that? You go to transform, recode into different variables. Remember, you also always want to keep your original items. So display variable names. I want to recode item 4 and item 6. So first I need to give them a new name. So I'm going to say they're called self-esteem, rec for recode, and then I'm going to use the same name for the label. And I always click change, so it changes here. I do the same for item 6 and the same label as well, and click on change. Now I'm going to recode. So these items were measured on a 5-point scale, and I want to reverse code this. So I need to reverse code all answer options. So option 1 will be 5 in the new variable. Option 2 will be 4. Option 3 will obviously stay option 3, but remember, you always have to include that in your reverse coding as well. If you don't, something goes wrong with your new variable. Option 4 will become 2, and 5 finally will become 1. Click on continue and paste. Now run this, and you include this syntax so you can always check again what you did when you reverse coded. Now let's go to my variable view, and as you can see here, 2 items have been included. So what I can do now here is include the reverse coding. So 1 is totally agree. This is if you agree with the negative item, and 5 is totally disagree. And I copy that to the other item as well. So now I reverse coded my items.